If worksheets alone aren't keeping your child engaged, activities like this will change the game. Painting makes letters exciting, and kids remember them because they connect the sound, the picture, and the experience together. All you need today is a piece of paper, set of paints, brushes, water, tissues, and your good mood. So if you're ready, then let's get started. Hello, my friend. Welcome to today's lesson. Today we will be painting letter C. And C is for cactus. So we will be painting cactus today. So prepare your sheet of paper, colored piece of paper, or it can be white, it's up to you. Prepare green color of gouache, white, yellow, and if you have pink color, you can prepare pink as well. So let's get started. Water as well, palette for color mixing or for putting the colors on the palette, tissue, and brushes. So as always, make sure that your brush is clean. Wet your brush, dry it, and let's take green color. So I'm taking my green color from the pot and I'm putting it over here. Adding a little bit of water for the desired consistency. Make sure that it's not dry, because you know what happens when it's dry. It leaves dry marks on the paper. So let's start from that side and let's paint a semicircle. You see, mine is slightly not a good consistency, slightly dry, so I'm adding water and make sure that it's not too watery and not too dry. So, and now another semicircle like so. And now we can color it. If you see any dryness, it can be easily fixed like so. Now, and now let's color it. If your brush is dry, wet it. Slightly dry on the edge of your cup or the jar with water, or using the tissue, and continue to the color like so. We just need to make sure that our paint is not water, because it's not a watercolor painting, and gouache is not a watercolor paint, and it's not too dry. Gouache does not like a lot of water. Now let's, while our letter C is not dry, let's take some yellow and we can mix it over here, because we have sun coming from the top, so we want it, you just can marry these two colors together, you see, and we're making Nice transition from one color to another. Because the cactuses, they grow where is the sun, and they are exposed to the sun. So let's pretend that sun is shining on our cactus, and our cactus is not in the dark, not in the shade, but exposed to the sun. Like that. Now we can take thin brush, brown color, or if you want, you can take black, and we can draw small spikes for it, like so. Just little spikes. And we can do these spikes on the edges as well. Like so. We know that sometimes cactuses do blossom. So you can make any color of the flower that you want. It can be purple, it can be pink, it can be green, light green, it can be yellow. It's up to you. I'm gonna make my flower pink. If you have pink gouache paint, or if you don't have, you can take red color and add white. That's how you're gonna get pink. If you want it to have yellow, you can have it yellow, and I will have mine pink. So let me see where I can put it. I think I will paint it here. It's just petals. The flowers of the cactuses, they're different, so you just can make your flower the way you want. I will just make it like so. It can be a random shape, just to make sure that it's nice and beautiful. Can be like that as well. You can do these kind of, spikies on the top. Can be like so. And one more little one. I'm gonna do it over here. So, this is my letter C. I hope that you enjoyed painting with me. Please send me your creations. I would love to see your letter C. And that's it for today. Have a nice day, my friend, and I will see you in the next lesson. If you have finished painting your cactus, I want you to stick around for my next video, because in the next video, I'll talk about how painting doesn't just help your child learn letters. It actually boosts creativity, fine motor skills, and confidence. You won't want to miss this one. I will see you there.